So as most weekends go, I reached out to some friends to go camping in the Colorado Rockies, although this time it was going to be different. Jackery challenged me to get off the grid and rely solely on their devices for power. We packed up a few drones and more cameras than we could hold in our hands. Two days later, and through some cold temperatures and long nights, we recharged about 5 drone batteries, a few phones and cameras, flashlights, and a MacBook Pro. Thanks, Jackery, for making a power solution that's light, powerful, and reliable.
Suoki G500 is a new portable power station with mega capacity of 500 watt-hour. It brings you clean, silent, and sustainable power for a free life. G500's battery can be charged with 3 different ways. You can use a solar panel to charge it with zero carbon emission, or you can charge it with a car charger cable while driving. And of course, AC wall outlet can charge it as well. For party animals who need cold beer when they are outside, G500 can help with that. It features 2 AC outlets for powering small appliances, including portable refrigerator. You can have fun with your friends while G500 is cooling down your beer. The real-time display allows you to monitor the battery current output power, remaining capacity, and input power when it's being charged. Now let the party begin. G500 will cover all your electricity needs for you, from sound system to lighting, from your mobile phone to laptop. And don't forget your cold beer. G500's AC output is pure sine wave, so you can enjoy more harmonic music without distortion. With its complete ports, high power output, and large battery capacity, G500 is capable of charging lots of different devices simultaneously. Besides AC outlets, G500 also has a quick charge USB-C port, 2 quick charge USB-A ports, 2 DC outlets, and 1 12-volt car port. Inside its compact body, we integrated advanced solar charge technology, MPPT, to optimize the charging, and the battery management system will protect both you and your device. You'll be amazed by how much this powerful unit can achieve.
Exploring nature has always been an instinct for human beings, and we all need power on our way to adventures. To bring power wherever you go and whenever you go, Suoki S270 was created. It has a built-in modified sine wave inverter that brings you 100 watts AC with peak 150 watt output, equipped with 4 DC ports with up to 180 watts power. It can be charged with solar panels, 12-volt cigarette lighter socket, and AC outlet through the input port, and can be used as an emergency light. It has 4 USB ports for your mobile devices, and one of them features QC 3.0 fast charging technology. Take S270 with you and no longer need to worry about running out of power. It could even be a lifesaver during disastrous emergency. It's got everything covered for you by providing all the power you need for your family trip. Click the battery indicator button on the top. It will show you how much power it has with cool blue lights. Forget to charge it before going out? Don't worry, it can be charged with your 12-volt cigarette lighter socket while you're driving. Thanks to its DC to MC4 connector, you can even use solar panels to charge it. 12-volt DC output port plus a special cigarette lighter adapter. You can use it just like your car's cigarette lighter socket when your car's not around. Drone, camera, smartphone, car vacuum, air purifier can all be powered by S270. When the night comes, S270 can even be more useful. Last but not least, S270 features 100-watt AC output. It's like bringing your wall outlet anywhere you go. Despite its size, S270 is integrated with an MPPT solar input chip, a 15 amperes DC output, battery management system, a 150-watt rechargeable battery, and 150-watt max AC output. With powerful technologies and an incredible compact enclosure, S270 will keep your life powered up.
I know. Sometimes you get trapped in the same routine, and you just need to unplug. And that sounds difficult, but think with me. What if unplug doesn't mean to switch off anymore?
What took you so long?
What if it can mean to be free? To take charge? To have power where you need it and not be tethered indoors? To break away from the routine without missing out on anything.
Come on, guys.
Miss you.
To connect with those that matter. To power a free lifestyle, whatever it might look like, wherever you choose.
You already know what it takes to get the most from a day outdoors. And you know a reliable generator is a must if you want to bring extra energy to your outing. But there's no place for a loud, oversized generator at your campsite. With the PowerSmart Series P2200 inverter generator, you can power all your camping and tailgating essentials for up to 8 hours without the hassles of standard generators. Featuring quiet power technology for quiet operation, it delivers 1,700 watts of continuous power without disruptive engine noise. The engine automatically adjusts output to the power you need, giving greater fuel efficiency. Two 120-volt household outlets, a DC outlet, and a USB adapter give you versatility to plug in a combination of appliances and devices, while inverter technology keeps sensitive electronics like smartphones and tablets safe. To create an even stronger power source, a dedicated parallel outlet lets you connect to another PowerSmart Series generator and multiply your power. And when it's time to pack up and go, this lightweight and compact unit with an H-handle design provides easy 1 or 2 person mobility and convenient storage. Get more from outdoor gatherings with the PowerSmart Series P2200 inverter generator. Because when noise and hassles don't get in the way, all that's left is a good time.